everyone, good morning all. How are you all? Yes, you all are very fine and doing well at your homes. Okay, right now, students, those who are sending me their work very nicely, they are very quick, they are very fast. So this is appreciation for them, for all the students of class 2, those who are doing well and sending me replies on time. Yes, well done. Keep study. See, never ever compromise with the study. Compromise with the clothes. You can compromise with the clothes. You can compromise with the food, but never ever compromise with the studies. पढ़ाई के साथ कैसे compromise? No compromise with the studies. है ना? Always do study on time. Always. Yes. Okay. And when I will announce your names, definitely you all feels very good. You all feel very good. So this I will keep continue. Announcing the names, I will keep continue. Okay. So let's start the announcing the names. We will start with section wise because I have big name. I have big list of the names. So first one we will start with this time. We will start with Ruby section. है ना? So आरव बिल्लोरे, करण गहलोत, अंजने पांडे and वेदांत कोठारी, वेदार्श महाजन, नीरा जैन, कनिष्का महाजन and आद्या डुडवे, राधे गुप्ता and वेदांत कोठारी और वेदार्श महाजन है ना, कनिष्का महाजन. Right now, so I am remembering all these names. They are doing great job, good, well done, all the best. And from diamond sides, this time I have the big list. Yes, start with definitely Adya, Arna, Arni, Anvesh, Avishi, Arush, Chizen, Daksh, Guni, and Kalindi, Kunj, and Nemesh, Naksh, Sakshi, Srasti, Sharnam, Somya, Siddhi Pagare, Rishit Manwade, Anvesh Mishra, and Vedant Solanki, Vihan Chandore, Vihan Chauhan. They all are sending me the nice replies. So well done. Always doing good is in your life. Good. No compromise with the studies. Well done. So let's start the study. Okay. See, I already told you how we can get the cloth. है ना? So there are two types of sources. First one is natural sources, and second one is man-made sources. है ना? So natural sources, it means we are getting clothes from the plants, we are getting clothes from the animals. है ना? Nature give us all these things. Nature give us the what? Nature give us the plants, nature give us the insects, nature give us the animals. So we are getting the cloth from the natural sources, and there are two natural sources. First one is plants and second one is animals. Yes, in the category of plant we get cotton from cotton plants, and in the category of animals we get silk cloth from silkworm, and then we get woolen cloth from animals like sheep, yak, camel, angora goat, and all. And yes, definitely then we will talk about the man-made fabric. When we will talk about the man-made fabric means the synthetic fabric. Man-made fabric means synthetic fabric, है ना? And yesterday I told you how we can get the synthetic fabric. We can get the synthetic fabric in the form of chain, है ना? And see, in the form of chain. Okay, and this one unit is called monomer. Okay, and when this unit will repeat it again and again, again and again, again and again, so it's form like a chain, then it's convert, it's form like a chain, वो एक chain में change हो जाती है, and this complete chain is called what? This complete chain is called polymer. This complete chain is called polymer. So one unit is called monomer, and when this unit will repeat it again and again, again and again, so it's convert into a chain. It's convert into a chain, and this entire chain is called polymer. And this entire chain is called polymer. So we will get the synthetic fiber. So we will get the synthetic fiber, है ना? Synthetic fiber is the man-made fiber. Synthetic fiber is the artificial fiber, है ना? So we can say that synthetic fiber is artificial or man-made fiber. Okay. Now I am this explanation was from yesterday's. Now I will read these two paragraphs. Then I will explain about these paragraphs. Okay. Whatever is written in your book, let's see. है ना? We can also make some clothes on our own. Yes, it is very much correct. Cotton mixed with a strong thread like rayon or nylon is also used to make clothes. है ना? Clothes made from rayon or nylon are attractive, but they not good for our skin. Yes, the synthetic clothes, the man-made clothes, the artificial clothes, it's not good for our skin. है ना? Maximum time during, I will give you example, during the Diwali celebration, है ना? During the Diwali celebration, suppose you will buy the synthetic cloth, है ना? You will go to market and buy a synthetic cloth. आप बाजार गए और आप एक अपना जो ड्रेस पसंद आपने किया, जो अपने लिए ड्रेस लेकर आए, वो अनफॉर्चुनेटली सिंथेटिक फैब्रिक से बना था. ठीक है. When you will decorate your house with the diyas and all in the evening time during Lakshmi Puja, है ना? During Lakshmi Puja, when you will decorate your house with the lamp, okay, with the diyas, that time what your parents will tell you? Your parents will definitely speak to you, definitely they will tell to you, beta, be careful, है ना? Be careful because you worn the synthetic clothes. बेटा, आप जब दिए जला रहे हो तो आप बहुत सावधान रहना, बहुत केयरफुल रहना. क्यों? क्योंकि आपने जो ड्रेस पहन रखा है ये सिंथेटिक क्लॉथ है, और सिंथेटिक क्लॉथ्स में अगर आग लगेगी तो वो हमारी स्किन को बहुत जल्दी बर्न कर देगी, जला देगी, है ना? सो ऑलवेज आवर पेरेंट्स इज सेइंग लाइक दैट, बी केयरफुल while burning the lamps. लैम्प जलाते समय बहुत सावधानी रखना है. और when you will burn the crackers, that time also be careful, okay, otherwise you worn the synthetic cloth and this cloth is not good for your skin, है ना? So yes, synthetic clothes, it's not good for our skin, है ना? And we get fur leather from the animals such as fox, buffalo and snake and mika. These animals are killed to make clothes for us. Do you think it is right to kill animals for their furs and skins? Okay, so here nothing is very much written in deeply, but I will try to explain you in deeply. Yes. First I will write what we are going to learn. Types of fabric. Types of fabrics. Okay. So yes, in this category we will learn 4 type of fabrics. Okay. Number 1, rayon. Number 2, nylon. And number 3, polyester. ठीक Today we are going to learn on these four. First one is rayon, second one is nylon, ठीक है, second one is nylon and third one is polyester and fourth one is acrylic. Fourth one is acrylic. Okay. See. Okay. Now first we will learn about the rayon. What is rayon? Number one, rayon. Okay. What is rayon? Yes. So first we will learn about the rayon. What is rayon? Rayon क्या होता है, कैसा मटेरियल होता है? How we come to know that is the rayon fabric? What is the quality? What is the speciality? How we can recognize? How we can identify? How we can come to know this is rayon, है ना? So first, rayon is a man-made fabric, right? Rayon is a man-made fabric, and you can say rayon is a artificial silk, right? Rayon is a artificial silk. You can say both these things. Rayon is a man-made thing or rayon is a artificial thing. Okay, both the lines are right, both the statements are right. Okay, so what is rayon? Rayon is a man-made or artificial fabric or artificial silk. Okay, yes, in our previous lecture I already told you how we can get this silk, how we can get this silk thread. It's a very long process. Yes, one insect give us the silk. Yes, the name of that is the silkworm. Yes, we all get silk from the silkworm, है ना? And silkworm, in first stage, silkworm gives lots of eggs on mulberry leaves. Silkworm will give the lots of egg on mulberry leaves, है ना? Then it convert into larvae, है ना? And then then the process will go on. Then the process will go on according to their phases, है ना? I already told you there are 4 phases, there are 4 steps, है ना? So a part of these 4 stages, जब ये सारी 4 stages complete हो जाती हैं, जब ये सारी 4 phases complete हो जाते हैं, then the silk we will get the silkworm. और जब वो जो silkworm होता है वो मलबेरी लीफ के ऊपर ही अपने मुंह से एक झाग जैसा फेस निकालता चलता है ना? इट्स शोन लाइक दैट. सी सपोज दिस इज अ सिल्कवर्म एंड वो जब चलता है तो अपने आसपास इस टाइप से एक कवर बना लेता है, ठीक है? एंड दिस कवर इज कॉल्ड कोकून. दिस कवर इज कॉल्ड कोकून. एंड व्हेन वी विल बॉयल दिस कोकून, जब हम इस कोकून को बॉयल करते हैं, उबालते हैं, देन वी विल गेट दिस सिल्क थ्रेड. तब जाकर हमें सिल्क थ्रेड मिल जाता है, ठीक है? सो गेटिंग अ सिल्क थ्रेड इज अ वेरी लॉन्ग एंड एक्सपेंसिव प्रोसेस. गेटिंग अ सिल्क थ्रेड इज अ वेरी लॉन्ग प्रोसेस, बहुत लंबी प्रोसेस है. एंड सिल्क साड़ीज एंड द सिल्क मटेरियल इज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. Silk material is very expensive, but this rayon material is very cheap rather than this silk material. Why? Because this rayon material is a artificial material. We are not getting from the nature. Rayon we are not getting from the nature. ये nature ने हमको नहीं दिया है, ना ये हमें plant से मिला है, ना ये हमें animal से मिला है. फिर ये कहाँ से मिला है? ये तो हम इंसानों ने लेबोरेटरीज में इसको क्रिएट किया है, इसको बनाया है, ठीक है, केमिकल के यूज कर. सो दिस रेयन इज क्वाइट चीप रेदर देन दिस सिल्क. ओके, एंड सो नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन इज रेज्ड इन योर माइंड दैट व्हिच टाइप ऑफ क्लोथ्स वी आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम दिस रेयन. Now this question is definitely raised इज इन योर माइंड, सो हम कैसे, किस टाइप के क्लोथ्स रेयॉन से मिलते हैं, हमें क्या कैटेगरी है उनकी. सो वी ह्यूमंस आर यूजिंग द कर्टन्स, है ना. एवरीबडी इज यूजिंग कर्टन्स एट योर होम्स. सबके घरों में पर्दे होते हैं. एवरीबडी इज यूजिंग कर्टन्स. एवरीबडी इज यूजिंग ड्रेस मटेरियल्स. एवरीबडी इज यूजिंग बेड शीट्स, जो चादरें होती हैं जो आप पलंग के ऊपर यूज करते हो, है ना. सो दीज ऑल आर दी मेड बाय दी रेयॉन. These type of things which made by this rayon, this synthetic fabric, and name of the fabric is that rayon. Name of the fabric is that rayon, and rayon is looking like as a silk. Rayon is looking like as a silk, but it is not a silk. But it is not a silk. Why? Because silk we are getting from silkworm, है ना. But this rayon is a artificial. This rayon is a man-made fabric. We are getting this fabric. We are making this fabric in the laboratories. So it is a artificial fabric. That's why it is very, very cheap. It is looking like silk, but it is not a silk. It is not a silk. Okay. Now moving on. Now we will talk about the nylon. Okay. What is nylon? What is nylon? Nylon is what? See, nylon is also nylon is also the type of the artificial fabric. Nylon is also the type of the artificial fabric, है ना. It is a man-made fabric. We create nylon in the laboratories only. So it is also the kind of the synthetic fabric. It is also the kind of the synthetic fabric. ठीक है. See, sometimes you heard this name nylon from your parents' mouth. अरे वो nylon का कपड़ा है यार. It is not good for our skin. वो अच्छा नहीं है. ठीक है. So this nylon is not good for our skin. Okay. Yes. Then now moving on. Now we will learn about the polyester. Number 3, polyester. What is polyester? What is polyester? हाँ, polyester क्या होता है? Again, polyester is a man-made or a artificial synthetic fabric. Polyester is again a man-made or a artificial fabric, है ना, which we are making in the laboratories only, and polyester is the, but one more thing, keep one more thing is in your mind. This polyester is the mixture of cotton and polyester. This polyester is the mixture of cotton and the polyester. Suppose my pen is not working properly. See, suppose this is the ताना बाना of the cloth, है ना. उसमें एक खड़ा होता है, एक आड़ा होता है. And here one thread of cotton and rest of all thread made by the polyester. ठीक है. पॉलिएस्टर इज द मिक्सर ऑफ द कॉटन. उसमें कॉटन का सिर्फ एक थ्रेड होगा, बाकी सारे थ्रेड्स किसके होंगे? बाकी सारे थ्रेड्स जो होंगे वो पॉलिएस्टर के होंगे. एंड पॉलिएस्टर इज अ मेन मेड आर्टिफिशियल क्लोथ. इट इज अ सिंथेटिक क्लोथ, राइट. नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन इज रेज्ड इन योर माइंड. देन हाउ मेनी थिंग्स वी आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम द पॉलिएस्टर. पॉलिएस्टर से कौन कौन सी चीज़ें बनती हैं, कैसी होती हैं वो चीज़ें. ठीक है. सो पॉलिएस्टर बेसिकली वी आर यूजिंग फॉर बॉटल्स एंड द यूटेंसिल्स. दिस पॉलिएस्टर is basically used for the bottles and the utensils. Okay. Now hope you understand. Right, now moving on, this last wala acrylic. Yes, acrylic is type of a woolen cloth, है ना. But we are getting woolen cloth to from animals only, like sheep, yak, camel and angora goat, है ना. So these are the natural resources, these are the natural resources, but this acrylic is not a natural cloth, so it is a man-made or artificial cloth. It is a artificial woolen cloth. Yes, acrylic is the artificial woolen cloth. It's looking like wool, it's looking like wool, but it is not proper perfect wool. It is semi woolen, it is semi woolen, है ना. So this acrylic is the again the type of the fabric. It's come in the category of wool, but usually we are getting wool from the animals like sheep, goat, camel and the angora goat and the yak, है ना. But this acrylic fiber we are getting not from the animal, this is man made, we are getting in the laboratory. हम इसको लैब में बहुत सारे केमिकल का यूज करके बनाते हैं, ठीक है. सो वन मोर थिंग, दिस एक्रेलिक इज क्वाइट चीप रेदर देन द रियल वूल. ये जो इससे जो बने हुआ क्लोथ्स होते हैं ना बेटा, ये बहुत चीप होते हैं रेट्स में, रेदर देन दी नेचुरल वूल. जो नेचुरल वूल होता है हमें शीप से मिलता है, इट इज़ वेरी वार्म, वो बहुत गर्म होता है. बट दिस एक्रेलिक सिंथेटिक wool, it is not very much warm, it is very cheap rather than the original wool, है ना. So hope you understood all these things. Once again a झटपट recap, then I will going to finish the chapter. Yes, type of fabrics. Okay, in this category there are 4 categories. First one is rayon, then nylon, then polyester and the acrylic. These all are the man-made. These all are the man-made fabrics, and these all are the cheap. These all are the cheap rather than the original clothes, rather than the original fabrics, है ना. And we all are getting these type of clothes. We all are creating. हम इसको create करते हैं, बनाते हैं. We all are creating these type of fabric in the labs by using the chemical, and the entire process, or I already told you, this one unit is called monomer, and when this unit will repeat it again and again, so it's converted into a chain, and this chain is called polymers. Then we will get the synthetic cloth. Okay, so this was the explanation about the fabrics, about the man-made fabric, but this fabric is not good for our skin, है ना. So which fabric is good for our skin? The natural fabric from we are getting the nature, जो nature से हमें मिलता है, that is good for us. Okay, now so this was the explanation about the clothes, how we can get the cloth, what is the raw material कैसे मिलता है और कैसे उससे क्लोथ बनता है और हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं. So entire process I already explained you. Okay, now I am going to read about this diversity in cloth. What is the diversity क्या होती है? What is the mean by diversity means अलग अलग, हम सब अलग अलग होते हुए भी एक हैं. जैसे we all Indians are living in different states, we all Indians are following different cultures, we all Indians are following different tradition, we all Indians are following different type of food habits, we all Indians are following different type of cloth habits, but ultimately we all are one. हम सब अनेक होते हुए भी एक हैं. आपने वो वाला नारा बार बार सुना होगा, अनेकता में एकता भारत की विशेषता, अनेकता में एकता भारत की विशेषता. सो डाइवर्सिटी इन क्लोथ्स इज लाइक दैट ओनली, है ना, कि जितने भी हमारे देश में कंट्रीज है, वी हैव मेनी स्टेट्स इन आवर कंट्री, है ना, एंड एवरी स्टेट हैज देयर ओन रिलीजन, एवरी स्टेट देयर हैज ओन देयर culture, their tradition, their food habit, their cloth habits. Okay, so we will learn about these things, है ना. So what is written in your book? First I will read this wala. Okay, this wali 2 lines. In our country country people wear clothes according to place where they live. Yes, it is very much correct. Everyone is wearing the clothes according to their climates where they are living. If I am living Gujarat, definitely I will follow the Gujarati pattern in my food, in my clothes also, है ना. Suppose if I am living in West Bengal, so definitely I will follow the tradition of West Bengal. I will follow the food habit of the West Bengal. I will follow the cloth habit of the West Bengal. Suppose if I am living in Jammu and Kashmir, then definitely I will follow the food habit and the cloth habit from Jammu and Kashmir. And same is with the Punjab and the Rajasthan also, है ना. So in our country people wear clothes according to their place where they live. Look at the children wearing clothes from different parts of India. So here nothing is more written about the diversity of India, only the names of the places are written over here according to the dresses. Yes, Maharashtra, definitely if we are living in Maharashtra, we will follow the Maharashtrian culture. If we will live in West Bengal, we will follow West Bengali culture. As like same we will follow like Kashmiri, Punjab, Rajasthani, Haryanvi and all. Okay, now the last, caring for clothes. Yes, caring for clothes. What does that mean by caring for clothes? Caring for clothes means what? आपको सिर्फ क्लोथ्स की केयर नहीं करनी, आपको अपने पास की हर एक चीज़ की केयर करनी. केयर फॉर एवरीथिंग, केयर फॉर योर पेरेंट्स, केयर फॉर योर थिंग्स, एवरीथिंग. सब चीज़ों की केयर आपको करनी है. बट हियर वी विल टॉक अबाउट द क्लोथ्स ओनली. So what is written? Clothes get dirty when we wear them. Yes, if we will use the clothes, definitely clothes will get dirty. We should wash or clean them properly. Yes, we have to wash it properly. We have to use proper soap. We have to use proper detergent and we have to wash it properly. We should iron them properly. Sorry, we should iron them properly. Yes, बिफोर वेयरिंग द क्लोथ वी हैव टू आयरन. आयरन करने से जो आपका क्लोथ होता है इट्स लुक वेरी नाइस, और जो क्लोथ के जो ताने बाने होते हैं, जो रेशे होते हैं, वो अरेंज हो जाते हैं, जम जाते हैं, तो यू लुक स्मार्ट एंड ब्यूटीफुल. वी शुड कीप क्लोथ्स इन सेल्फ और कबर्ड. येस, एवरीबडी हैज़ कबर्ड नाउ डेज. एवरीबडी हैज़ कबर्ड. Everybody has the almirahs at your home, so always use almirahs. Keep your clothes properly in your almirahs. We should keep clothes away from insect and mice. Yes, this is the advice. Always keep your clothes away from the insect and the mice. Okay, चूहों से अपने clothes को, अपने कपड़ों को बचा कर रखना होता है. So here we are going to finishing chapter number 3, clothes. Everything, each and everything I tried to explain you in very very deep, and I hope you enjoyed these chapter. Okay, so now I am going to finish the chapter, but I am giving you one homework, this diversity in clothes. You have to make these pictures. You have to make 1 2 3 4 5 pictures. Whatever picture is here, you have to make in your EVS notebook 1 2 3 4 5 and write the names of their places also. Write the names of the places also. So this is little homework. Make these pictures in your EVS notebook and decorate it nicely and fill the color accordingly and write the names also. So hope you understood the chapter nicely. So it's over from my side. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe and keep study. Okay, bye.